Hey, hi, welcome back. So, guys, as part of the previous session, we just ran that particular job. And if you look at it, see, basically the install playwright is in a progress. Still, the job is execution is in progress. If you come back to the code and if you look at this particular branch, right, where is this main branch? So, if you go to that particular main branch, and here it is stating that there are two commits happen in this particular branch. And if you look at this particular job, the meaning here is the actions is in progress right now. So whatever the actions that were defined, all those actions are being executing right now. And if you go into the actions tab, see basically still the actions is going on. So for the 3 minutes got completed. So which means whatever the tests are there, it's trying to execute all those tests. So immediately a question that comes in our mind, Surendra, how would it know that it needs to execute all these tests? The point out over here is as it is a playwright, this is referring to this particular playwright config.ts file. Whatever the configuration that you have defined here as part of this reports, as part of this browsers, everything is being executed here itself. Okay, everything is being executed as part of this particular file. While downloading the dependencies, also the node modules, everything that it is defined as part of the package log.json, everything will be downloaded. Okay, so the reason why I just want to show you here is once after this execution got completed, I just want to show you how exactly the artifacts looks like. The reason is within your YAML file at the end, right? If you look at it, basically, we have a specified that irrespective of my execution status, which is an always, I want you to generate a report. Okay, and that particular report name, it's gonna be a playwright report, and this is gonna be the path of it, and it should wait for, the report should last for 30 days. That's what we have made a configuration. Once this installation got completed, then I just want to show you how the execution is gonna happen. Okay, how execution is gonna happen. Let's wait for a minute here. So I'm just pausing the recording. So because of the internet also, the installation is taking a bit more time. Let me pause my recording. And once the installation got completed, then I will show you how the execution is gonna happen here. Yeah, guys. So the installation is completed, and if you observe right now, the installation action got a tick mark, and of course, the run the playwright test also it executed successfully, and it has showing that there are six different tests that it got executed, and after that, the post actions, the artifacts got uploaded, which means that the report, whatever we are specifying, the reports got executed and the reports got generated. That's what it is showing it up. And here you can check out the reports, the complete details. Okay, and here it is saying that the job it got a completed, every action it got a completed. That's what it is saying right now. And if you look at this particular my latest changes, this workflow, if you scroll down a bit here, there is an artifact, and inside the artifact the playwright report. See here, this is the name that we have given, which is a playwright report. The name is being populated here, and there is an option for you to download the report. Let me download the report and let's have a look into the content what we have as part of that particular report. So the report got downloaded, and let me look at it. So it does has an index.html file, and when you open that, see basically these are the six different tests that we have as part of this particular uh, framework or the code base that you have uploaded, and these are the files that it got executed and all got executed successfully. This is the way how exactly we can configure these actions, how exactly we can execute it, and how exactly we can validate that particular report as well using this GitHub Actions, guys. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture with the next example. Thank you.